Yes guys, it's Raul TV, Team R4UL, we're back again, and what we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to reset the service light, the maintenance light, oil maintenance that is, on a 2012, I think it's a 2012-13 Toyota Avensis, yeah? It's pretty much same as the Toyota Yaris that I've done the other day, yeah? So dead easy, you don't need no software or nothing like that. So garage, if you go to take it to the garage and the garage says, oh, we need software, stuff like that, nope, you don't need anything like that. You can do it at home, but the thing is, make sure you do a service before you reset it. You can just don't go resetting the service light for the fun of it, you know, and leave the car without an oil change or anything like that. Yeah, so yeah, without further ado, let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, I've turned the ignition on. Right, it says oil maintenance required soon. Yep, so what we're going to do is turn the ignition off totally, and I need 3 hands to do this now, because I need to hold the camera with one hand, right, and do the resetting with the other hand. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to this side, hold on to this button, yeah, the trip odometer button, speed or the odometer button, hold on to it, press and hold this one while turning the ignition on. When you turn the ignition on now, whilst holding that down, you'll get like 4 lines, right? It's gonna go from 4 to 3 to 1 0, and then it'll say 0 0 0, and that's it. Service has been reset. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and get somebody to turn the ignition on for me now. 1 minute. Right, I've got nobody here, so I'm gonna do it myself. So press and hold this one. Yep. I'm gonna go around to this side, obviously. Turn the ignition on. Give me a minute. So there we go. There we have it, all reset, done and dusted. And there we have it guys, that's it. 2 minutes, it takes 2 minutes to reset it. Don't need no software, nothing like that. But like I mentioned on every single other reset, service reset, make sure you do a service, or at least change the oil and oil filter, then reset it. You know, oil maintenance, that's what it's for, oil maintenance, right? After that, you know, happy days, no messing, you know, all done, dusted. Anyway, peace and blessings guys. Like, share and subscribe, hit the bell button, notification, leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.